Have you ever thought your child was just being super lazy because their handwriting is usually super sloppy, but you know that they can write better, they can write neater, they can write legible because they have done it in the past, right? So they've done it before, so clearly they're just being lazy. Maybe that resonates with you, or maybe something similar. I've had parents sometimes call me and, they're kind of a little bit bashful to use the word lazy. But, when we're on the phone, I invite them to just feel free speaking. And honestly, that does come up. So my perception is that if I, as the professional you're coming to help, feel your child is just being lazy, I have nothing. I cannot help. I cannot strategize because I cannot fix lazy. We, no matter how good our intentions are, we cannot fix lazy. So just for the record, I usually don't think the kids are being lazy. I usually don't think the little kids are being lazy. I usually don't think the elementary school age kids are being lazy. So I do want to share that, and it's an important message to get across because, again, we can't fix lazy. But if we can just think it's really hard for them, then we have 100 options we can do. We can call me, we can call your OT. You can, try and help your child. You can ask why. We can have conversations about it. So I'm going to share a story about turkey dinners, me cooking a turkey dinner. Now, I don't know, some of you out here might be, your own little barefoot Contessa and Martha Stewart's, and you love Thanksgiving and turkey dinners. I would rather rip off a toenail than have to cook an entire Thanksgiving dinner. So I use this example when I talk on the phone with parents, and I think it'll be helpful to share here with you guys. So I do not cook Thanksgiving dinner. I have hosted Thanksgiving dinner, and we eat turkey, mashed potatoes, and all the good stuff. We just get to it in a different way. So could I cook a turkey dinner from the mashed potatoes to the bread cornucopia to a beautiful golden turkey? Of course I can do it. Of course. Would it be super hard? Yeah, it would be super hard. I would probably have to practice more than a week. I have to practice making the turkey, making sure it comes out right so that the day of the dinner you have a nice turkey. You don't want to practice the day of. So could I do it? Yes. But I won't. It's so much effort for me that I can't. So I use this story to compare to the child. Am I being lazy? I don't think I'm being lazy. I'm being efficient, right? I'd rather spend my time doing other things on the top of my list. So your child's handwriting and the turkey dinner are kind of I want you to think of this as an analogy. Yeah, the kids aren't being lazy. It's just probably really hard for them to write neatly. And they have to work at, just like I have to work at 200% effort to get that turkey dinner on the table. Your kids, whether it's handwriting or anything else, have to work at 200% to do something that's hard for them. So, I'm sharing this, it's a funny story about the turkey dinner, but really because I want you to change the perspective you have when your child is struggling with something. Not so much that they're being lazy, it's just that they require that turkey dinner effort. And you know what? We all can't do that every day. And our kids can't do that every day. Their brain's working on so many other things. So it doesn't mean we're just going to let it slide and do nothing. Just like I don't not have turkey dinner because it's hard. We do have it. It's just, in a different way. Thank you, Fresh Market. And thank you. So think about that with your kids. What can you do to support them, and what can you figure out how we can help them? Because working at 200% is not, it's not really what we want our kids to be doing. All right, so change your perspective on handwriting and the turkey dinner. And what I want you to do is I want you to leave me a comment on what you thought of the turkey dinner and your lazy child, because they're not being lazy. Okay, see you at the next video. Go ahead, leave a comment, watch the next video, and hit subscribe so you can get more videos just like this.